Once again, my warm greetings to the students of Class 1 CBSE. Children, today we are going to see some important points that we had already discussed. You all know about it. Just we will revise from the chapter, and what we are going to do is we are going to use noun in the chapter. As you can see the screen, the main characters, if you remember, in the first session, we had gone through all these things, right? But we are going to apply noun in the chapter. So today you will learn how to find out noun from anywhere, even it is a chapter from your textbook or newspaper or magazine or comics, whatever. So today I will teach you how to pick out nouns from anywhere. Just you have to find out. It's interesting. See, here Mr. Samir Verma, you know. Now Mr. Samir Verma is a person. Mr. Samir Verma is a person. Now you have to remember the definition of noun. Noun is the name of a person, place, animal, or thing that you've already learned. Now see, name of a person. Person. So Mr. Samir Verma is a noun. Mrs. Mala Verma is a noun. Why? Because she is a person. Then Rohan. Rohan is a person. So Rohan is a noun. Rini is a noun because Rini is again a person. It is the name of a person. And what is noun? Noun is the name of a person. Now you saw person. So all names, in a nutshell, we can say that all names are nouns. Simple. Your name, your brother's name, your sister's name, your dad's name, your mom's name, name. All are nouns. And if you remember, we saw one cute character in the chapter, Tommy. Tommy is also a noun. Why? Because it is the name of an animal. All right. So these all are nouns. Names of person and animal we saw. Now see this page. Now from this page, which is already there in your textbook, you have to find out noun exactly. Now see, we will see this line. Noun is the name of a person, place, animal or thing. Name of a person. Rini, person. Rohan, person. Now see their mother, Mrs. Mala Verma. Now Mala Verma, Mrs. Mala Verma, she is a person. Then wakes them up. Alright, so she is a mother, no? So mother is a person, that's why. Now here you see, get ready for school. Now school is a place. School is a place. So all these are nouns. Exactly. Now see Rini, Rohan, Mrs. Mala Verma. Mother. Mother is a person. School is a place. Right. So these all are nouns. Now see this one, this page. Again the page from your textbook only. Same thing. Find out the noun. Rini, Rohan. Dining table. What is dining table? Dining table is a thing. Yes, dining table is a thing. Father is a noun. School is a noun. What is school? School is a place. Alright. So in this way, from the chapter, from each page, you can find out noun. Just you can do an activity like this. Alright. So Rini, Rohan, name of persons. Dining table is a thing or it is a place also. Now in the chapter, if you see, they came and sat on the dining table. So here dining table is actually a place according to the chapter, but dining table is also a thing. So thing or place, it is a noun. Then prepared breakfast for them. All right. Then here now you have an assignment. Same thing you will have to do with this page. What we did in this one. All right. Same thing you will do in the, we did this in this page. You saw all these things. What we did in the same way you have to do it in this page. You have to find out now. Read this sentence. After breakfast, their father, Mr. Samir Verma, takes them to school on his red scooter. Find out where are the nouns. All right, and you have to write down the nouns. So this is your assignment from this page. You can do same thing from other pages also, but this is mandatory. This is compulsory. You have to do this one. Then I have got some comic strips for you, just for fun, some activities you can do. Now, if you see this, you can make in your notebook again. Just an activity, just for fun. Just for fun. Lot of studies you did, whole day you are studying and studying, just for fun, because this is there in your chapter. Your first chapter starts with comic strips. All right. So you can do this at your home, in your notebook also, in your drawing notebook also, you can try. Now see here, I have a problem. Now this pic, this is a doodle art. You can make it very easily. It's very easy to make. It's very interesting also. And you can write some dialogues also. You can prepare this for your dad, for your mom, for dad and mom, for your brother, sister. Something you can make and you can give them also. So it's a very beautiful art. If you are interested, you can give a try. All right. So see this one. I have a problem. You have a pen. If the person gets the pen, thanks. THANKX, it is written. So in doodle art, you can use this type of art. This style you can use. When someone give me a pen, thanks. I'm eating it. So what the other person should say? Stop it. See the diagram, the pics, very easy to make. You can give a try. Just when you are free, do it. This is a sample which is done by the students, small children, they have done on COVID-19. Very beautifully they have made this comic strip. You can see they have used only pencil, no coloring, nothing, very easy. See, this is the work of a small child like you. So this also for COVID-19 also you can give a try. It's a beautiful art, very easy to make. One circle, one square. See, it's very easy. So you can try it at home when you complete your studies. In your free time, you can do this. One more sample for you. Just a sample for you. You can do on your own also. It is not necessary that you have to copy everything. You can come up with your own ideas. This is again one format, easy to make. If you don't know drawing, if you can't draw, you can practice this one. Circle with 3-4 lines. Circle, 2 circles, eyes, mouth, easy, isn't it? So you can add some dialogues there. Again, a good way to express your feelings in a pictorial form. Yes. This is again one sample for you. You can give a try. Again, very easy to make. Something if you want to express in the form of a picture. So you can give a try in the form of comic strips. All right, and you can add your dialogues here. On your own, whatever you want to speak, you can put it over here as a dialogue. Not necessary to copy the same thing. This is again an art, same thing. Make something very different, color it, it's up to you. Whatever things I have shared with you right now, regarding comic strips. This is not compulsory. Let me make it very clear. This is not compulsory, but if you are interested to do it, do it. Either this one, anyone you can give a try. Anyone. I'm not saying to make everything, not required at all. No. But give a try. Give a try. It's really interesting. It's fun. And when you start doing it, you will love to do that. And this is a very good thing to express your feelings in the form of comic strips. All right. So, for today's session, this is your assignment, and you have to find out nouns. You have already learned a lot of things, just one page an activity. You can just mark it in your notebook, just write heading as noun, as I have done in the previous pages. Just you do it like this, in this way. You have to write what it is exactly. If you are writing a name, you should write it's a person. If it is a thing, you should write it is a thing, like this. So this is your assignment for today. And comic strips as per your wish. If you make a comic strip, please post it in the group. It would be really nice. All will see and all will enjoy, and there will be a lot of fun. All right. If you are interested, don't keep it with you. Post it in the group. I will also be very happy to see you doing all these things. All right. It's a very fun activity. When you are free, you must do such type of activities, which is actually a creativity, and come up with new ideas and do share. All right. So that's all for today. Uh, do well, practice the questions, and have some fun also. Bye bye.